Okay, welcome to Sam's Free Money channel. From Christmas Day till now, just shy of 3 months, the price of Crypto.com coin, the CRO, has quadrupled in price. Why has this happened? I've searched YouTube up and down. Nobody appears to be dealing with this. So for you guys who care to follow me, I will look at 3-4 possible reasons why this is. First off, let's look at the chart. Courtesy of coinmarketcap.com, here we have a 3-month chart, and you'll see round about Christmas Day, the price, December the 25th, is 0.059 cents. So just under 6 cents. And it goes Christmas Day from 5.5, Christmas Eve 5.5 to just under 6 cents. Here we are today, approaching midnight on the 21st, so just under 3 months. It's currently all the twos. It's 22.22 cents. So it goes up and down, but it's way over 3 times as much. Sometimes it varies. It reaches 4 times. Okay, why have we had this chart? Why have we had this rise from Christmas till now? If you looked at some of my earlier videos, you'll see that as a project, I started off with 1,000 that my partner gave me as a project, and I've tracked what I've done with that 1,000. One of the coins I got and the card that I used to get the coins was the Crypto.com card, and you can buy over 100 cryptocurrencies, and to get the card, you can get the card for free, and you get 1% cash back on all your expenditure. If you get a metal card, you get 2% to 4% or higher, depending on how many CRO coins you buy. Okay, so these coins have gone up. Why? Let's have a look. Here we have Reddit, and we're looking here. I say they've gone up. So in the industry, we say the coin is on a bull run. My partner says to me, what's a bull run? I said, it's the opposite of a beer run. Or what's a beer run? So here, this is what someone's posted on Reddit. The terms beer and bull, let's bring it into focus. The terms beer and bull are thought to derive from the way in which each animal attacks its opponent. That is, a bull will thrust its horns up into the air, whilst the bear will swipe down. These actions were then related metaphorically to the movement of a market. If the trend was up, it was considered a bull market. If the trend was down, it was a bear market. So we're looking at why crypto CRO coin is on a current bull run of 300 to 400% inside 3 months. Okay, what could possibly cause this? Let's have a quick look. AMBcrypto.com. Ranked 18th at the time of writing, this is 3 days ago, Crypto.com coin has fallen significantly on the rankings over the past few months. Like ETC, CRO2 was on an uptrend before market-wide corrections hit, with the crypto falling by over 12%. At press time, however, some recovery was underway, with the alt climbing by over 14% in a matter of hours. It's currently 19th today, Sunday. This means that unlike most alts, CRO had recovered its previous week's losses at the time of writing. CRO's indicators were leaning towards the bulls too, a bull run. While the MACD line was just above the signal line, the Chaikin money flow was skirting zero. So let's have a look at this chart in detail. Here we have the MACD line, and here we have the CMF, which is this green line, the Chaikin money flow, and it's skirting zero. Here today, it's on zero. So that's one possible reason for this bull run. Another thing, the company, Crypto.com, what's happening? In 3 days, 1 hour, and counting down, Crypto.org chain launches. Crypto.com is launching its own mainnet, Crypto.org chain. And here it tells you the next generation public blockchain. Crypto.org chain is a public, open source, and permissionless blockchain, a fully decentralized network with high speed and low fees, designed to be a public good that helps drive mass adoption of blockchains technology with use cases like payments, DeFi, and NTFs. So that's one possible reason. On Crypto.com's blog site, Crypto.com announces global alliance partnership and principal membership with Visa. So Crypto.com, they already have a Visa card working alongside Visa, but they've now been promoted. They've been promoted to principal membership. And here, companies partner to accelerate mainstream cryptocurrency adoption. And this is on blog.crypto.com, and they give you all the wonderful details. As of March the 18th, Crypto.com today announced a global partnership with Visa that also includes principal membership in Visa's network in Australia. So principal membership means they're virtually independent. They're a main partner alongside Visa, and there are all sorts of things that they can do. So they can expand the reach of the crypto Visa card. They're announcing plans to roll out fiat lending with crypto collateral via the Crypto.com Visa card. They'll be able to lend out, and they'll be able to do many, many things. So this is another reason behind the possible quadrupling. And I believe that it may go up yet again over the next week. Finally, Crypto.com partners with Aston Martin Cognizant Formula One team. Look at this. I think this is brilliant. I think this is pretty. Cryptocurrency trading platform with world's fastest growing crypto app joins the team. Look at this, guys. Aston Martin, Cognizant, Crypto.com, global partner. This company, Crypto.com, is going places. Guys, there's no other cryptocurrency card. I will cover them all on my channel. I have most of them, if not all of them, but this is happening. They're a main partner with Visa. They are now a global partner with Aston Martin. Ahead of its 2021 Formula One car launch tomorrow, Aston Martin Cognizant Formula One team has announced a global partnership with leading cryptocurrency platform Crypto.com. There's all the stuff there. And this is on Crypto.com's blog site. And to finish, FinanceMagnates.com site, Crypto.com becomes a sponsor of Aston Martin Formula One team. The car company is also considering to launch crypto products. You can read it all here. This is just a short video, but Aston Martin wants to partner Crypto.com. Aston Martin want to get into cryptocurrency. So they've agreed to partner Crypto.com, and all the wonderful details are there. Okay. The fact that a cryptocurrency company can go out there and make a statement like this and align with such a well-respected brand with such a huge tradition as Aston Martin, it makes a statement that the industry is maturing. That's just Crypto.com. And Aston Martin back this up and say that they want in because they want in. All right, let's have a look. More than a sponsorship deal. Apart from the user sponsorship, Aston Martin has additional plans to directly engage in crypto with its new partner. There's things called NFTs, which is where we want to push this. There's payment systems. We want to be with Crypto.com to understand this space, said Jefferson Slack, Commercial Managing Director of Aston Martin Formula One. So there we have it. They want to understand the space, and they're choosing Crypto.com. I will leave it there. At the bottom of this video, you will see a referral link. If you wish to get the card, if you want more details about the card or the coin, let me know. Leave the comments down below. If you use the link to get the card, you will get $25 worth of CRO as will I also. It's a wonderful way into the world of crypto. It's a wonderful way to get into crypto.com. This company is going places. And these are possible reasons why this coin has quadrupled in the last less than 3 months. Thank you.